Hello everyone, thank you so much for your support on my channel. Now you are looking at my vintage bedspread and I'm sharing this with you just so if like me you like a vintage find at a great price, then when you see something like this you will know exactly what you are looking at. Now, to be frank with you, when I first saw this bedspread, I bought it because of the lovely patterns and the fact that it is white and it didn't have that yellow vintage tinge to it. And also because I grew up with one in my household on my mama's bed. And so it took me back to my childhood. However, I found out after that it is actually a desirable bedspread. It's from the Bates Company. The Bates Company is an American company that makes bed linen. And so this is called a Bates hobnail chenille blanket, and the hobnail comes from the way how the pattern is woven into the bedspread with all these little polka dot raised embossed detail. They all help to form the pattern on the bedspread. And so the bedspread, check it out. It adds that decorative look to your bed. And not only is it decorative, but two things. For me, I'm not in the market to sell this, but if you're in the market to sell, it can run anywhere from $100 to $300 depending on who is selling it. But I picked this one up for about $5. The more functional thing that I like about it though is during the winter I can use it as a blanket and it keeps me warm enough, because sometimes my comforter here that I have on the foot of the bed gets too warm, and so the Bates bedspread is great to keep me warm. However, as I said before, I'm just sharing it with you guys. So if you see anything like this in the vintage shop, you will know what you're seeing and you can grab it. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please like, share, leave your comment below. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and remember to hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos.